Hi, this is Bala Saraswati, LD Remedial Coach, on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems. And this question is interesting as in our regular meetings, you suggest regular meetings. What is this? Well, so I have a community of teachers who joined for this program, which is called Remedial Education Program. And as they join the program, not only they get to watch the 300 plus videos that is there in the course, they are also getting live sessions every week, and this is a lifetime program. And in this lifetime program you can learn throughout life, because I don't believe that one BEd or one course can actually teach you so many strategies. It's a continuous learning process. So I'm a researcher. I keep researching on strategies and I give these strategies to my teachers. So if you're somebody who wants to learn these strategies, come and join our community, join our course, attend these live sessions. And here in this one of my live sessions, I had mentioned that sometimes plan some art and craft for students during remedial sessions. So during remedial we have meditation, we have brain gym, we have some fun time, and of course the remedial time, because we don't believe in doing the entire remedial program at one stretch for 45 minutes. As it is, the children have attention problems, so we do it in small breaks. So the attention is addressed, plus the attention is derived and focused when the kids are doing something. So here it is. Yes, I do insist on doing some art and craft activity during the remedial sessions, just to break the monotony. So the question is, how do you do it for teenagers? It can be done very easily. So in online you can show the video of some art activity, and the child can actually uh, child and you, both of you can participate doing that activity. Say for example drawing, you can display the drawing or the video of any drawing on screen, and both of you can start drawing looking at it by the way the trainer is telling how to draw. It's so easy. Same way as in art and craft, any activity. So in online, teaching can be made so much fun because of so many kinds of resources available online. Make your classroom as interesting as you can. Have fun during remedial sessions. Be happy, do some meditation, do some brain gym activities. Keep the child alert, involved, engaged, occupied. The child will love to attend your class every session. If you are a teacher who doesn't know these strategies, or you want to learn these strategies, click the link in the description, join our community, join our program, start teaching online. And yes, you will also get a certificate. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.